Hello and welcome to iOWN Wallet Setup Guide. In this video, we will show you how to set up your wallet to enjoy updated power-packed features. First, go to your App Store or Google Play and search for iOWN. Then click on Install. Open your newly installed wallet, then press Let's Get Started. If you have previously created an account, you can log in with your email and 12 paraphrases. If not, then click Create a new wallet. First, insert your full name, followed by your email address and your mobile phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA puzzle and verify. Enter a password that should be a minimum of 8 characters, with 1 character at least that is an uppercase, a lowercase, a number and a special character, such as hash key, exclamation mark, @ or a dot. Make sure you don't forget the password, as it is only recoverable with the 12-word paraphrases that is coming up in the next step. This step is extremely important. Make sure you write the 12 words appearing on your app on a piece of paper and secure it. Losing it may result in losing all of your funds. Next, fill the missing 3 words in the blank spaces using the words you have written down on the paper. By now, you would have received a wallet activation email. Open your email and click Activate your account. Your iOWN wallet is now created. And now you're able to access your funds and asset balances. By clicking on the asset you can send, receive or buy. Let's press Send. Insert the amount of tokens you want to send. Then insert the correct receiving address, or use a QR code scanner to copy the address. This permission needs to be activated from your device. You can also choose your transaction speed: slow, average or fast. Gas fees differ based on transaction speed, slow being the lowest fee. From the main menu, you can activate your biometrics data. This enables you to access the wallet with your fingerprint. Type in your password and press Activate. You will now be able to log in with your fingerprint. By clicking on the In4X Global logo you can activate your account to be able to pay partner merchants with your crypto assets. You will also be able to buy iOWN token, USDT and Ethereum via wire transfer. Complete the required KYC to have access to all the new added features. By clicking on this icon, you can scan the merchant's QR code to complete the payment. There are several new features to explore. If you require any assistance with regards to the app, get in touch with us on our official Telegram channel or via email and we will be able to assist you. Thank you for watching.